I'm your instructor for Humanities, and I'm going to tell you how to get the most out of your textbook when taking this course. So let's go ahead and log into our course. And right now I'm using Chrome, which is the preferred browser for Learn Brian. And let's say I'm going to go take my week 1 drill. And I've already done my reading for the course, and now I'm ready to take my drill. And it's encouraged that you use your book while you take the drill. So go ahead and hit the quiz and get that up. And then in another browser, for my second browser, I like to use Firefox. I log into our course, and why you want to use a different browser instead of using Chrome twice is sometimes when you have Chrome open in one window and Chrome with Learn Brian open in another window, what it will do is it can cause it to crash when you're taking the drill, because Chrome wants to mirror what's going on in the other Chrome. But if you use a different browser, those two browsers don't talk to each other, so it makes it much more efficient. So I'm going to go ahead and log into our course in Firefox. So I'm logged in over here in Chrome, and now I'm over here in Firefox. Go to the Read the Week 1 Assigned Materials, which I've already read. And what's great about this textbook, why I picked it, is it's really concise and it's really good language for understanding humanities. And any of these above links, these chapter 1 and chapter 2, will take you to the textbook. Doesn't matter that you're going to a specific chapter. Just got to get to that textbook. And then I'm going to have that open in another window. So if I look at the question as it loads from Vital Source, you'll see there's search tools here. That's a keyword search. It'll show you a table of contents if you just want to go by chapter. Little notebook for your notes. All these fun features. But what we mainly need here is the search tool. So that's why it doesn't matter which chapter you come into here, because you can always move around once you're in. So our first question is, art and technology interact in the appearance of the Volkswagen Beetle as newer safety standards affect the blank of the vehicle. And I might say to myself, hey, I kind of remember in my reading talking about the Volkswagen Beetle, but what was that book talking about? Let me refresh my memory. So I'm going to go over here. Let's just put in Beetle. And look, I can go right to that section of Volkswagen Beetle. And then as I reread it, I see, oh, the design, and I can go over here, click on design, and then and submit. And go on to the next question. Save and next. So it's that easy to use your book while you're taking the drill. I encourage you also to do this when you're going to the final. Now some of you might be thinking, like, why are we allowed to do this? Are we still learning if we're allowed to use a book? And while we do this, it's because this is kind of the reality of how we learn. We have the internet now, we have all this information available to us, and so it's important to know how to work with it. It's great to read it, take it in, and then also have it there to go back to so we can get greater understanding. Plus the drills are designed to be taken more than once and to be used as if we were kind of going over the material in class together. So having this companionship with the book makes it more like that class exploration experience. Hope this works for you, and let me know if you have any questions.